Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from the Bead Chest. I've only ordered from them one other time, and that time I used their Etsy shop. This time I actually ordered from their actual website. I like their website because they have daily deals and a lot of African beads. So you've already seen, maybe, the video where I used these to make my Day 5 Halloween bracelets. These are the Java Glass. I didn't like them. Well, that's wrong. I didn't love them at first, but I've actually really grown to love them. I want to buy some more. They have them in a few different colors. And they're called Java Glass. So Java Glass is not, I don't think it's African because Java is not in Africa. It's way far away. So they're not African beads. They're Java Glass, which are made in Java. So if you don't know where Java is, don't feel ashamed because I didn't know either, and I looked it up, and now I know a whole lot of new things. So another thing that I liked about their packaging, it was flat rate shipping, and I think it was like $3.99 if it's under $100. And I got in a priority mailbox, and everything was wrapped because I bought all like glass stuff. So, and it's been sitting here forever, but I haven't had a chance to unbox it because I've been on vacation, and instead of catching up, I've just been doing all sorts of things. So if you're part of my bead group, I've kind of been keeping you updated on my adventures. Okay, so I bought these because, and actually I haven't released that video yet. I bought some black African beads from Bobby Doe, and they weren't the size that I wanted. So they were kind of like, these were them, and I haven't, sorry, that's got the wrong sticker on it. But they were like more like gray, and they weren't black. So, that's okay. I'll use them for something else. That's fine. But this is what I wanted. I want them for decoration in my living room. I got a really nice, like, what's the word? Buffet or credenza. And I want to hang these, or get a bead stand or something, a necklace stand, and put these on that. Although, I'm looking at this. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like, oh, you can see that this is definitely recycled. Like, these are darker, but they do still have some transparency in some of the beads. So it's got some clay in there and some clear glass. It's awesome. So those are not for jewelry making. They're for display. Eventually they might make it into my designs once I'm finished with them in my living room. What else? We've got two things here. Okay, so I got more black beads because I wasn't 100% sure. Oh, there's only one thing in there. So I got more black beads because I wasn't 100% sure of the size. And I think I already have these, which is fine because black is so versatile and I'll definitely use them. So here are the two different sizes. I think one's 14 and one's 18 millimeter. Next, I got these Shanty Beads. So tomorrow's Thanksgiving, Halloween, and I bought these because I had so many Halloween designs in my head, but I just, like, time flew there this week. I just did not have enough time to make it. I might make some more Halloween designs today. The thing is, a lot of the Halloween stuff I've been making lately can be worn throughout the year. It's not like super campy. It's more like sophisticated. So I think that's what I'll end up doing. I really wanted these, so I'm very happy that I got them. And then I got some of the Tierracast skulls, but in the charms and not the buttons, because remember I bought the buttons. So I'm going to make some bracelets, I think, eventually with these. Although I'm not in a hurry now because it's going to be Halloween tomorrow. So we have copper, antique brass, antique gold, and antique silver. Very cool. I love those. Here's the final strand. They're so teeny tiny, but they have big holes, like bigger holes. They're glass. They're little rondelles, and they're just like they're like little gumdrops. I just love them, and it's such a cool dusty pink. They had it in several other colors, but I wanted to get this strand just to test it out. They're much smaller than I thought they were, even though they have the size listed. Sometimes it's just really hard to gauge, especially with the pictures not showing, to scale. So I really like those. I'm gonna, if I can find a turquoise set, I'll probably get some of those. But my favorite thing ended up being probably these, which is surprising because they were my least favorite. These and the black beads. So super excited. The website's the Bead Chest, and I'll leave a link below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye bye.